Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Box. Bit of a smile on my face because something has arrived. It finally found its way to me today. So it's a bit of a broken box, but I don't think anything is kind of missing. It's easy but not easy at the same time to get in. I really could do with some scissors. And guess what I don't have? Scissors! Oh man, that is strong tape. That is strong tape. And I should have brought scissors or a knife. I could have sworn that I had some. That's not what I've ordered. There we go. I knew I had some. Okay. Cut that side. And this side. And now the whole thing should just fall apart. The actual label is stronger than anything. And that's the only thing that's stopping it from coming undone now. Well, can't beat the scissors. Okay. So, this is an order I placed for my shop. Bit of packaging. hobbyrocks.co.uk. Right, I'll just put that there. And oh, I hate this stuff. Packaging mess. There's quite a lot of that. Okay, here we are. And here's my bill. Well, my contents. And so first off, I've ordered some Karen Simply Soft Speckle, and I've not got masses of it. I don't sell masses and masses of Karen yarn, but I do like to have some, and I was kind of very depleted, and I think I've only got kind of a few bits left, so I decided to get a few. And this one is Speckle upside down. This is called Lipstick, and it's a 4-way Aran. 141 grams or a 5 ounce is 235 yards or 215 meters. So this is the Speckle in the color Lipstick, which is kind of intriguing. I like that one. Right, I'm trying to use this box to keep it all safe. So I've got some blue. You do know I'm a sucker for blue anyway, but I always try and keep it a little bit balanced. Now this one's called Galaxy. That's very nice. I really like that. Galaxy. It's got all those colours of the night sky as well. Beautiful. Beautiful. I'm not going to get them out. I like them to stay in these as much as I possibly can. But I do have a few different Simply Soft. I've not got much of the camo left. These balls are a lot bigger, I have to say, than the camo. These are the larger size from Karen. They do kind of have some odd sizes, but yeah. So I decided to get a little Ogo in the shop. Yeah, I wanted to bring you some Colorama. Now this one is not the colour that I have, because I did get some really lovely Happy Mail from Dayon, and I did get a couple of these in my Happy Mail. That's it. I've managed to open the bag. Now the one I had was blues, and it's slightly different, I think. Maybe not, but here it is. It is I think a little bit like remember the latte cakes that I'm making that poncho with? It's got that fuzzy kind of vibe going on. It's absolutely gorgeous. So this has a scan for free patterns, but we have what's that called? Harbour Frost. It's fade out knit scarf, I guess, is what's on the download or reverse, I don't know. Upside down, of course it is. But this is called Karen Colorama Halo Ogo. If that's not enough of a mouthful for you, I don't know what is. So this is a 5, a bulky 5, but it's because it's fluffy. I've got a little, it's not overly fluffy. Some fluffy yarns are hard to crochet with. I don't find them hard. I always manage. But I do get it that they are difficult, more difficult than usual to crochet with. But this one's not. It's just a little bit, what would you say? Fuzzy is a good word for it. But soft, 71% acrylic, 18% nylon, 11% polyester. It's 8 ounces or 227 grams per ogo, and there are 481 yards or 440 meters, and I have 3 in this color. I'm putting it back. Whoops, going to lose this neckline if I'm not careful. I'm putting that one back. There we go. So it stays nice and safe in the bag. And now it's in the bag, I can just pop it down there. So then, this is the colour that I have, because it's blue. And this is the one that was sent to me. So I have some of these. I need to use them now. Now I can get them again. They're no longer just kind of ornaments for me. I'll be able to use them without fear of them disappearing and never coming back. But this one is called Bluestone Frost. Bit of a frosty vibe going on. Again, it's the 5-way and all the stuff. Yeah, I like that though. It is strange how, you know, we kind of do our yardage and weights differently. Because, you know, an 8 ounce, I don't think I've ever had a British yarn that's been sold in an ounce like that. It's usually your grams. But they go for the yards, I guess, on this. So 227 grams, 481 yards, 440 meters, and a bulky 5. But isn't that beautiful? So we've got, the other one is slightly like greener, like marine colour. And then you've got this one, which is beautiful blue. And again, there are 3 of those. But the graduation of colour is just stunning. I love it. So that's not all. That's not all. I decided to get some kind of, this one's a pinky colour. This neckline, it's really kind of seen better days. That's why this one is now the Yarn Rooms neckline. I had a lovely one sent to me by Julie as Happy Mail, and that one goes in the other Yarn Room. But so now the good thing is I don't have to remember to bring one. Here we are. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? It's beautiful, beautiful colours. Look at the way those colours just graduate. They are just so beautiful. The true sort of meaning of ombre. So again, this is the all the same gubbins, but where is it? This one is called Orchid Frost. Orchid Frost, isn't it beautiful? So there you go, the colour of Orchid Frost. Absolutely amazing. It really is. Love this. And it's so different because there's 2 types of Ogo. There's this one, and then there was the Red Heart, which I did actually get some in one of my yarn hauls before. Rainbow colour and some blue. Still, I haven't used it, but one of these days. So then I got this one, which is more of a proper pink, red pink. It's red. What frost is this? Let's have a look. Find it. This one's upside down. Of course it is. Wouldn't be me if it wasn't. This one's called Cranberry Frost. All of the other info is exactly the same. Let's get that off now. We don't need that for the... but yeah, there we go. Isn't that just gorgeous? Fabulous. Absolutely. So those are my Ogos, new Karen yarn for my shop. Now I did order one other thing because I wanted to see what these come up like. And that is Knitty Critters. I've never had a Knitty Critter, and I saw one in a shop, and boy was it enormous. So I just decided to get this one to try it out. So obviously it is a Christmassy one, but these are the Knitty Critters, and I thought I would I just got one for now, and we'll see. But they've got some pretty cool ones. They've got a green guy, they've got the robin, the gingerbread man, a snowman, and that cute little fella there on the end. So yeah, that's my Knitty Critter. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that yet. Probably put it in the shop. Oh, I thought I had the neck light falling off then. But that is my little Karen order, and there was a lot more in my basket, I have to say. I took it all out because it was a pretty penny. Buying yarns from overseas is never cheap for us in any case, even wholesale. So boy was it a bit on the big side. So I decided to kind of trim it down, and I really wanted to get hold of the Ogos. And so the speckle, those two are the only ones that remained in other than the Ogos. But yeah, let me know what you think. I know a lot of people have said that they want to try it, and but there we go. I love this yarn. I really do. It seems to me very similar in the way it sort of made up to the latte cakes that were beautiful. I still have one left, which I took out of my shop to keep. And I have some that Gary had bought me for Christmas some time ago. I've been making the poncho and other things with, and so, you know, they are lovely, the lovely latte cakes. But yeah, I've got a feeling this is their replacement in a way. And I've seen some of these in cake form, but you know, we kind of just got a few to put in the shop. Didn't really want to go breaking the bank to add lots more big yarn orders. Still got to make lots more space before I can do that. And so there are a multitude of special offers still. And don't forget, in the description box you'll not only find a link to the shop, but you'll find that voucher code, which is valid from now all the way up to the end of December, and you can use it on every order that you place, not just a one-off. So that's there for you to use if you want. So yeah, I'm going to be busy now uploading all this stuff onto the shop. So you need to give me a bit of time if you're interested in it. It'll be on soon. The video will probably be on before I've managed to get it all done. So thank you for watching. Finally, after them saying they were taking it back to the depot, I got my order. So yeah, it's amazing. It can bring a big smile to your face getting some yarn, even if it's not actually for me. It still is, if you know what I mean. I can always hook some out. But now that I've got this, I can add to it at any time I like as well. So that's cool. So thank you for watching me and spending your afternoon with me. Thanks, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.